Here's how to get a Wise debit card, step by step. Start by logging in to your Wise account. Once you are signed in, look to the left-hand menu and click Cards. This opens the section where Wise manages both digital and physical debit cards. So if you already have a card linked to your account, you may see it here as well. On the Cards page, click Order a Card. Wise will take you to the card setup flow, where you can choose the type of card you want to create. If you want a digital debit card, select Digital Only. This option is for a card you can use online right away without waiting for mail delivery. After that, choose your preferred card design. The design step is mainly about how the card will appear in your Wise account and wallet. So select the one you want and continue. When your design is selected, click Create your digital card. Wise will then begin creating the card. Wait a moment while this process finishes. You may see a loading screen or a short confirmation message while the digital card is being prepared. Once that is complete, your digital Wise debit card is ready. You can use it for online purchases, and you can also add it to your mobile wallet if you want to use it from your phone or another supported device. At this point, the digital card setup is finished. If you want a physical Wise debit card instead, return to the Choose Your Wise card page and select Physical. This takes you into the order process for a card that will be mailed to you. Before continuing, check that the delivery address shown on screen is correct, then confirm it and complete your order. Make sure the address is current since that is where the card will be sent. After the order is placed, there's nothing else to do right away except wait for the physical Wise debit card to arrive. Delivery times can vary depending on your location, so just watch for the card to be delivered. When the physical card arrives, go back into your Wise account and open the Cards section again. From there, activate the card so it is ready for use. Activation happens after delivery, so if you do not see the option earlier, that is expected. This process gives you two paths depending on what you need. You can create a digital card for online payments and mobile wallet use, or place an order for a physical card and activate it after it arrives. Both options begin from the same cards area inside your Wise account, and the choice happens when you reach the card type screen. Your Wise debit card is now set up as a digital card or ordered as a physical card and ready for activation when it arrives.